With its secluded beaches, tropical flora, and a laid-back vibe, not to mention perfect weather nearly year-round, it's no wonder that so many couples travel to this island paradise in search of a romantic getaway. Some prefer to relax and rekindle. Others are looking to get a little adventurous and to make memories to tell the grandkids about someday. Think of that spark that first brought you two together. You are bound to find something in Jamaica that will fan those flames. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and the Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Number 10. Soak up some sun at the beach. Let's face it, some beaches are better than others. Opinions vary widely, but I am inclined to say the quieter, the better. Popular destinations like Doctor's Cave Beach may try to lure you in with colorful umbrellas and lots of crowds, but those searching for a more intimate setting should check out private beaches that are operated by the resorts. Sure, that usually means staying a night or more, but having access to the pristine sands and not crying kiddies or vendors is well worth the price in my opinion. From pebbles to pink sands and every shade in between, there is nothing more relaxing than spending a day lounging in the sun and splashing around with the one you love. Pack a picnic or post up near one of the bars or restaurants and let the good times roll. Number 9. Hike the Blue Mountains. It sounds as if I'm in the Blue Mountains right now, guys. As you hear, there are a lot of animals in my background. I'm in the country, as I told you guys. I really apologize for that, okay? The mountain scenery of the magnificent Blue Mountain and Jonquil Mountains will leave you in awe, and who better to share it with than your lover? For couples who enjoy taking on challenges together, there are trails for all fitness levels, including the climb to the top of Blue Mountain Peak, the highest point on the island. Jamaica's only national park is well known for its biodiversity and gives couples a chance to get away from it all, even the busy beachfront resort areas some visitors never venture away from. Number 8. Get your adrenaline pumping at Chukka Caribbean Adventures, and they have multiple locations. Ziplining, local rum sampling, chasing waterfalls, and ATV safaris are just a few of the activities on the docket here. With 4 locations to choose from, Chukka Caribbean Adventures offer adventure excursions to thrill seekers of all kinds. From short jaunts to full-day trips, I'd recommend indulging your sense of adventure and spending a whole day doing as many activities as you can. Getting out of your comfort zone raises endorphins, which heightens your mood and senses. If you feel your passion for each other raising with your heart rate, don't be surprised. You know what they say? Couples who play together, they stay together. Number 7. Treat yourselves to a day at the Oasis Spa at the Swept Away Resorts, Negril. With packages designed for couples that include massages, body scrubs, manicures, pedicures, and a sensual shower for 2, it's time to strip away your worries and relax together. You've earned it. Tranquil settings and natural aromatherapy ingredients will whisk you away from the stress of the real world and leave you feeling rejuvenated and reconnected. Swept Away Resorts features one of the largest fitness complexes on the island. After a good workout and stretch, you will look and feel your best as you head out for a night on the town. Number 6. Spend a Sunday at Lover's Leap. That's in St. Elizabeth. Local folklore tells of a young slave couple who ran away together after their affair was discovered by a jealous plantation owner. After being chased to the edge, they clasped hands together and plunged over the 1,700-foot cliff rather than face separation. Some say that the moon caught them in a golden net, delivering them safely to the horizon. They were never seen again. Later, recognizing the unparalleled view from the top, the Port Authority erected a lighthouse at the top of the cliff. Now residents and visitors gather weekly at the landmark to enjoy live music, dancing, and local cuisine set against the backdrop of one of the best views in the Caribbean. Number 5. Go snorkeling at Montego Bay Marine Park. Unfortunately, many of the world's colorful coral reefs are dying off, and many people have never had an opportunity to go snorkeling. Well, what better time than on vacation to try something new together? There are tons of tropical sea creatures to be seen there, and this nationally designated preserve was created to legally protect the reef against harmful human activity. Excursions and gear rentals can be arranged from a couple of vendors in the Doctor's Cave beach area. You can also bring your own if you prefer to skip the crowds. Number 4. Go rafting on the Mulberry River, and that's in Trelawney. Just you, your partner, and the captain will share a 30-foot long raft down a 3-mile section of the Mulberry River, located in Trelawney, a short ride from Montego Bay. The village features 6 acres of landscaped gardens, a bar, swimming pool, and restroom facility. Once on the river, you can take a swim or just sit back and enjoy the beautiful rainforest scenery of the trip, which takes about an hour. It's a great opportunity to spot wildlife and snuggle up with each other. The bamboo rafts are surprisingly sturdy. If you're interested, the captain will gladly share information on the area's history and the Taino people. Number 3. Swim in the Blue Lagoon, that's in Port Antonio. Legend has it that a soak in this turquoise pool has an aphrodisiacal effect. This tranquil spot has hosted generations of celebrity visitors, and several movies have been shot here. At nearly 200 feet deep, the mixture of fresh spring and salt water from the sea makes for an alternating warm and cool temperatures and a breathtaking blue hue that changes with the position of the sun. Boat tours are available for about US $30, and the nearby restaurant has suffered hurricane damage, but enjoying the lush grounds and taking a swim are free. Number 2. Enjoy a candlelit dinner at the Caves Negril. If you look up romantic dinner date in the dictionary, this place is what you would find. Imagine a table set for 2, surrounded by flower petals, candles, and the sound of the sea. Now add a delicious 5-course meal prepared using fresh local ingredients and techniques. Now add you and your partner. And what have you got? The recipe for a perfect evening where every need is catered to. For those looking to enjoy the splendor of the caves without the full 5-course run or advanced booking, check out the Blackwell Rum Bar in another secret cave, also on the water's edge, built into volcanic cliffs and accessible by way a coral staircase and a footbridge. This is on one of the coolest places on the island to enjoy a cocktail. Number 1. Watch the sunset on 7 Mile Beach, and that's in Negril. As the name suggests, this long swat of soft sand along the northwest coast offers plenty of room to spread out and enjoy a bit of privacy, with loungers, picnic areas, restrooms, and beach bars peppering the expansive beach. You'll have no trouble finding a quiet spot to settle in. In today's world, it's these little moments together that really mean the most, enjoying something as simple as watching the colors reflect on the ripples as the sun goes down. Heads up, after dark, 7 Mile Beach turns into the nightlife hotspot. Stick around and you're bound to find a party. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found it informative. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button, and you can turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. I am Alex. Bless.